Fold 7 featured a third generation of armor flex hinge, which is 27% thinner and 43% lighter than the hinge on the Z Fold 6. The other companies introducing the next innovation that will make even foldable displays more tougher and slimmer, known as the Flex Titanium. This is just a preview of what will come next week. The Flex Titanium technology promised a more refined viewing experience for the new Z Fold, while making the display more resistant to external shocks and wear and tear of being folded or unfolded hundreds of thousands of times. The journey so far is represented in the image. It combines two titanium based layers. This new design features two components, a titanium alloy film and a flexible titanium plate. The newly developed titanium alloy film is super thin. It measures one third of the thickness of human hair and is 20 times more stiffer than polymer film used in older designs. It sits in the display module under the OLED panel and supports it while flexing. Below that is the titanium plate. The holes support the display panel for a flatter, more uniform surface. The latter was introduced back in Z Fold 7. Samsung engineers has clearly managed to remove further air gap between the display and supporting plates, which created a tighter bond between the two. By introducing sophisticated micro pattern holes through folding section, we have successfully secured flexibility with robust durability. Combine high resolution display architecture with new organic material that maximizes power efficiency. We will further strengthen the competitiveness of next generation Galaxy Foldable, said Young Jing Yo, corporate EVP and head of mobile display product, Samsung Display. They have slimmed down it over the years. The Flex Titanium design is built on knowledge and innovation accumulated over 7 generations of Galaxy Foldables. Samsung listened to customer feedback to focus its attention on key factors that users care about. Titanium is a tough metal to work on, but it is strong and lightweight, which makes it the ideal choice for foldables. Incorporating this into a flexible and thin structure of the display was a major engineering challenge. The Galaxy Unpaired event in London will introduce a new form factor. Samsung is keeping details under wrap, but the event tagline is a new shape unfolds. The open secret is a wide book style foldable something that will be halfway between the Z Flip and the Z Fold series.